It was Spell-a-thon time at Price Harris, and the teaching birds had been working very hard. And the student spellbinders were stressed out. Come with us now, way back to the year 2013, to a galaxy not so far away, and let's peek in on what we fondly call tired teaching birds, or to spell or not to spell.
Why are they so tired? All they've been doing is teaching us to spell.
We can't stop working! The Spellathon is the most important event at Price Harris. It makes us money and teaches us to be smart.
And the biggest thing is that this year, the money is going to be used for buying books for the library.
Yeah, the library.
Yeah, we must keep working.
We can't let the school down. All we have to learn is 30 words. We can do it!
Calm down, everyone. All we have to do is go get the spell blocks, bring them over here, and continue to learn the spell.
We can't let the sponsors down. We can't let the school down. We can't let the tired teachers down. We can't let ourselves down. What do we do?
We all calm down, and then we go get the spelling box.
Yeah, let's steal the boxes. Yeah, let's go steal the boxes.
We're not going to steal the boxes. We're going to borrow them so we can keep studying.
Let's put on our disguises. Yeah. Let's get all our friends to help. Yeah, we can help. We can help. We can help.
Let's go get those boxes.
What's going on? They're stealing the kids' learning boxes. Stop them! Stop them! Stop them! Get the weapons. Give me one of those. And prepare to fire. Fire!
Get the spelling box back!
Kids, they're depending on us. Fill up, Price Harris! Yeah, Velveeta!
We know you're tired, but why so angry?
Stop it! Why are you doing this? We only want to do well for our sponsors
And for our beloved Price Harris!
Yeah, Price Harris!
Price Harris!
Who are you? You cannot steal our students' learning boxes.
Yeah, they need them to help study for the Spellathon!
Yeah, it's a 25-year tradition here at Price Harris.
And if you take them, we can't. They can't. I mean, they will. I mean.
Hey, don't cry.
We didn't mean to make you cry. We just wanted to learn.
Learn.
Was that
the magic teacher word?
Learn!
What do you mean learn? And who are you anyway?
Yeah, who are you?
Yeah, who are you?
We're your students. We're sorry you're tired, but we really need to study.
We just wanted to be prepared.
Oh, that is the best thing I've ever heard a student spellbinder say. You make us all so proud.
Yeah. Proud. And we will never be too tired to teach you guys. And we make you this promise.
We will work together to make this the best Spellathon that Wichita
The world, for that matter.
has ever seen.
Let's get started right now. What do you say?
Yeah, right now, let's get started. We say if you're waiting on us, you are backing up. And that's the best idea we have ever heard.
We know that with your help and with hard work, we will make our parents and our sponsors thank you. Very proud. We will also raise enough money to buy lots of books for our library. Let's do this!
That year's Spell-a-thon went on to be the best the school had ever had. One of those student spellbinders went on to become President of the United States. One became a famous journalist, and after Principal Saunders retired, one even became principal at Price Harris. And it all happened because those tired teaching birds spread their wings and flew all over that school, teaching every student that very special skill called spelling. No one ever forgot that Spell-a-thon. And as far as the tradition, Spellathon is still going strong today with no end in sight. They put a statue up to those tired teaching birds, and every day their ancestors can be seen sitting on them, singing a sweet song of knowledge. And it all happened because those spellbinding students would not be denied. Those tired teachers worked tirelessly. And the best thing about it all is that they learned how to work hard to accomplish a big goal. And those students are still doing it today. And truthfully, from education, isn't that all that anyone could possibly ask for?
오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남 스타일